Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to clear card on Temu. To remove a debit or credit card from your Temu account, the following steps will do. First of all, open your Temu application on your smartphone or any of your devices and then log into your account. Once you're inside the main homepage, tap on the U button at the bottom of the screen. Once you open up the U interface, go to the upper right hand corner and tap on the gear button. Now click on your payment methods and you will be able to locate your credit card or debit card that you've previously added. Tap on the edit button right next to the card you'd like to remove and then click on delete card at the bottom of the screen. Click on delete card one more time on the next page and you will then be able to select some of the regions while you're trying to remove the card and tap on confirm. And that way you will be able to clear or remove your card on Temu application. That's quite easy, isn't it? If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.